What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change or add a bio to your Discord profile on the Discord mobile app. Once you have your app open, you're just going to hit the profile picture in the bottom right hand corner and then hit account. It's the second option down right below set status. And then from here, you could just add your bio to the about me. And whenever someone clicks on your profile like they would any other social media bio, it's just going to appear right below your name. You could just add whatever description you want. And if you do want social media links or anything like that, I have made a video on that. I'll link it down below in the description, and you could just click on that and see how to add your social media links. It's a separate thing from the bio. But if you found this tutorial helpful today, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and also read the description down below because there's some very important information down there. Thanks for watching.